What's up YouTube? Welcome to our channel, or welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Today I'm going to be doing my natural makeup look. This is the makeup that I wear every day, the makeup that's in all my pictures. I got a request to do this, so I hope everybody else is kind of interested. I'm hoping this is something you guys will enjoy. If you do, let me know down below. I really love these kind of videos. I love watching them. I would love to make them for you guys, but you just have to let me know if that's something you'd like to see, and we will make it happen. So stay tuned, continue watching to see this makeup look. I'm so embarrassed. Oh my gosh, is this even focused? Guys, I'm so embarrassed. I just filmed like a little bit of my intro, and there's people downstairs and my door was open because it's hot in here. And when I went to go wet my beauty blender, and when I came back they were all like laughing and talking, so I closed the door. Hopefully I don't get too hot. We're gonna start with primer. Usually I just apply this in my hands. I use the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance. It's really good. I love a dewy look, so that's definitely what I try to go for. Whether it works out or not is a different story, but that's the goal. And shake it. I do like 4 pumps because I feel like the more I do, the glowier I'll look. Probably don't even need that much, but that's just what I like to do. Also, if you see me going like this, it's because I have a nose piercing. I'm not picking my nose. I just like always have to adjust it because this little piece keeps coming out. I don't know why, it's so annoying. I always contemplate taking it out, but I never do, and then I always complain about it. So the primer is good, and then I usually use, this is my cheaper option. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow 24-hour foundation. It's radiant finish, so that's why I picked it. This color is a little bit dark for me right now, but it's about to be summertime, so I didn't mind getting a little bit darker. I hate being too white because it just doesn't look good on me. So I'd rather have it like a tad darker than a tad lighter. And this is 202 Creamy Natural if you're the same color as me. And then another thing I usually use is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This isn't really a dewy one, but it is a really natural finish. It's not too matte, so I like that, and I'm shade NW13. So this is definitely a good option, but I think I'm gonna use a L'Oreal one today. Just finished foundation, and now I'm gonna go on my concealer. I use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer shade Light 1.25 Avocado. Super white because your girl is pale. So I just recently started contouring. Don't know if I do it right. I'm probably just gonna say this throughout the whole video. But I've been using the NYX, NYX, however you wanna say it, Wonder Stick. It's a highlight and contour stick, so I think there's like a few different options. Yeah, I got the light medium one because I don't need too much color, but that's what it looks like. So I just go here, and then I basically just put the highlight part exactly where I just put my contour. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but I think it looks good, so yeah. Let's blend that out, put it on, and I'll come right back.
We gonna take it. Top twist off the clock with the ace. Back that whole team that is base. Those out to that big son dick that is base.
So I went back in one more time a little bit, and then now I'm going to go in with bronzer. I have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in just the regular bronzer kind. There's like a light, medium, dark, and then regular bronzer. And then I also have the Benefit Dandelion Blush. One of my best friends showed me this, and I hated blush before, but this is the only kind I'll use. It's like not too much color, but a little bit just so you like look like you have blush. Also, a different bronzer that I sometimes use is the Hoola bronzer. Welcome home. One. And then this is the highlighter that I use. It's the MAC Soft and Gentle. Can't talk today. Mineralized skin finish. Super nice, really natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all that on. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I've had this forever. It's number 3. I guess that's a color. I don't always use it, but sometimes I just like to give myself a little extra color. I like my eyebrows, and I'm also just kind of scared to learn how to pencil them in or anything else like that. So I just like go through, sorry, I have a mirror over here. Go through like this, just kind of like fluff them up, give them a little more color. Because my foundation gets into them, makes it look like I have no eyebrows, but I actually have good eyebrows. I like them. Not a big difference, but I think it just adds that little extra oomph. So then, I work on my eyeshadow. Like I said, I usually just take like a brown color. I'm probably gonna use my Morphe palette, 350M, that's the one that I have. It has just a lot of neutral colors. I always use like this as a base. I don't even have eyeshadow primer, I suck. But that's probably why I never get a lot of color out when I am doing eyeshadow, and then I just don't end up liking it. So I go all over with this one, and then I usually take something like a little bit of this or a little bit of this in my crease. And then I take that same MAC highlighter, and I always put this in the corner of my eye because it's super bright, and I just really like the effect of it. I guess sometimes I take that. I guess it depends, but we'll see how it turns out. I'll work on that. So lately what I've also been doing, I have this NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. I just do one line of it. I don't do a wing or anything, but I feel like it makes my eyes look way like brighter and more open, especially when I get my mascara on. So I'm gonna go in with my Perversion mascara. But actually, I lied. Skipped a step. I use a MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. So I'm gonna go over with that. I like to do it before my mascara because after I find it gets a little clumpy because this isn't waterproof. So I'll go on with this. And then I use the Huda Beauty Wifey Liquid Matte Lipstick. My favorite nude ever. The other one that I really like from Huda Beauty is the Bombshell. This one's a little bit darker. It's still a nude, but it's a bit of a darker pink. I find it looks like my natural lip color, so I don't love it as much. And then my third option for lips, sorry, they're all like higher end lipsticks. I haven't found any drugstores that I really like. And then I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Strip Liquid Lipstick. And then I top that with a MAC gloss. Super cute. That one's really shiny. I'm not really loving that lately. It was my go-to for a while. But I'm gonna go on with this and we will come back for the final look. Hit a Fergie. All the time I turn around, brothers get around. Always looking at me up and down, looking at I saw me hanging out, I turn around, I'm trembling on my mind, I want to take a man, and I'm coming off just a little bit. Keep on repeating on the boys when I hit them, I'm trying to I can't be treated like contact. Cause they say she delicious. Alright, this is the finished makeup look. So, let me know what you guys think. This is what I wear in all my pictures. I almost never change it up. Sometimes I'll change the products up, but the finished look is usually the same. So, I really like it. I think it came out really good today, like even compared to different days. Super dewy, natural, a little bronzy. Love the nude lip. Like, I just can't really do color. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see any other videos like this. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, all that. You guys know the drill. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye!